So the Lord showed me a dream on the 27th of November 2022. Now in this dream, I was speaking to a Lebanese man. I was speaking to a Lebanese man who was standing in front of a fridge. Yes, he was standing in front of a fridge. Now, what he said to me is that he loved Vitamilk. That's what he said. He said he loved Vitamilk. Now, as I was looking in this vision, I realized that the fridge that was in front of us, the light of a fridge, you see that every fridge has a light in it that lights it up so that you'll be able to know what kind of drinks you have in there. What I realized was that the light flickered a bit and the light went off. So the fridge went off. Now, as that fridge went off, the next thing I heard was a sudden bang sound. A sudden bang sound, very loud. Now, after hearing that, now what I realized in my spirit was that the lights were out, and the lights will not come anytime soon. We were standing in front of a fridge. He said he loved Vitamilk. There were some drinks arranged in the fridge. There was Vitamilk in there too. He was a Lebanese man. And so that is the Lebanese man is very important. The fridge, the lights in the fridge flickered a bit, and the lights went off. And then a sudden bang sound, very loud. Now with hearing that sound, I knew the lights were off, and that the lights will be off for a very long time. So I know most of the Lebanese in Ghana are industrialists. A lot of them are industrialists. It could also mean the power situation in Lebanon is going to be a problem. Power situation, electricity situation is going to be a problem in Lebanon or in Ghana, because Vitamilk is sold in Ghana. Vitamilk is produced somewhere in Malaysia or Singapore, but it is sold in Ghana. I also know that the Lebanese a lot of them are industrialists in Ghana. So it could also be an issue for Ghana too. So maybe we should tighten up security around the power generation, around our power generation systems. Yeah.